The journey to recovery can be filled with ups and downs, and staying motivated can be challenging. You're not alone. The hierarchy of values is a tool that can help you set your course. Your values are as unique as your fingerprint. They influence your choices, guide your actions, and make you who you are. So, are you ready to explore your hierarchy of values? First, jot down 5 of your most important values. Don't worry about the order, just pick the things that matter the most. Now, take a step back and look at your list. Notice something? If you're like most people, your addictive behavior isn't on there. By engaging in addictive behaviors, you're jeopardizing the very things you value most. An addictive behavior can become the most important priority in your life without you even realizing it. The HOV exercise helps us to question and examine the values we think are important but might not actually align with who we truly are. It isn't just a list, it's a mirror reflecting your true self. Are you ready to take that step and transform your journey to recovery? Learn more at smartrecovery.org.